Yeah, this is the roasted chicken. That is just $5 in Walmart. I don't know what I'm going to do with this chicken, but it is going to the freezer. You know, the time now is already 15 minutes for 10 o'clock, but I'm still having a coffee. I remember when I was in Dubai, yeah, we are working until 11 o'clock. That's how we work in there, and then after duty, after 11 o'clock, we go outside. It sometimes we go to the Dubai Mall, or sometimes we go to Dubai Marina, and we went there to drink a coffee. Yeah. Sometimes Dubai Mall is open 24 hours, especially during Ramadan season, or Eid. During Eid, Dubai Mall is open 24 hours. Yeah, that's why it's okay to drink coffee. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, this is how it is today. You don't see the water. It is now 8:30, and we're just going to roam around. I am day off today. Yo, we are now here in the Salamander area, and do you know that there was a bushfire in here like 2 years ago, like 2018 or 2019? I'm not really sure. Yeah, but yeah, during that time was not really windy, so it was uh, controlled easily. That road here in Salamander is pretty busy, that's why I didn't able to video, you know, for safety of everyone. Yeah, this is their sports center. Normally it's a football field like this. We are now again in the Salamander Bay. You know, this Salamander Bay is like the old center of Salamander, because if you remember, there is another one, the Salamander Bay Square, where the shopping mall is. Yeah, similar to Forster. If you happen to visit Forster, you'll see they have a shopping mall area. Forster or Port Macquarie? Yeah, they have shopping mall area and also the town center like this. Oh, look at this, they are throwing it now. Still usable, the bike especially. It's going down here. So like what I'm telling you, you notice that the grass are dry like this because of the very hot summer these days, and this is how it is. And there's one guy, he's just laying down there, and people walking around, a group of people swimming there, and yeah, not really the best view because of the smoke. Still beautiful somehow. That's the best time to do paddleboard, that's the best time to do kayak. Yeah, because you know, last time I did the kayak, it looks like that, but when you are in there, there is a little you know, a little waves. Yeah, it's still good. I lost that footage when we are doing the kayak. Unfortunate. You know, I am willing to be a caretaker of a house like this. because I believe there are some people who are living in Sydney who have properties in here, and they want someone to take care, you know. I can be like that. My bike is there, I'm parked already. The battery of this camera is 1% now. Okay, we go back. Yeah, the sun is now up there. We are now in the Soldiers Point Public School. This is the elementary. We're going to have a look in this water area. The name of this place is Sunset Sunset Beach. That's one. It's written there. It's Sunset Beach. Sunset Beach. And if I'm not mistaken, if you can see those black thing, those are oyster farming. And yeah, residential. There's a family there. Nice life they have. We maybe are going to have a breakfast in that restaurant, the Soldiers Point Marina. It can take forever tonight. Oh, this maybe is a hotel. Yes, it is. Forever tonight. Slow. There's no direct sunlight, but I can feel the heat now. I'm wearing the wrong one, but it's okay. Oh, okay. Just now I realized that that other side that you are seeing on the other side, that's the Taylor's Beach. That is the place where we did the kayak. Maybe are going to eat in that Soldiers Point Marina restaurant. Nice. Are we going to leave the bike there? And we check if they have something for me. Yo, there's restaurant there. Also here. Yeah, I feel shy. That's why I end up looking for a new restaurant, for another restaurant to eat. We are going home now because I can feel the heat. Said I love you, but this is how it is here in this area. The sun. Oh, what's that? Yeah, people are starting to gather here, and they will be swimming in there. Oh, they are building a house here. We are now in the Bannister Hotel, one of the luxury hotel here in Soldiers Point. Yeah, that one is a luxury hotel. Be careful. I'm holding on the brakes. They are drinking tea. They are drinking tea in there. Good morning. Yeah, the people in there, they are waving at me. I don't want to live without you. Nothing gonna change my love for you. Yeah. Push, 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 push. Nothing gonna change my love for you. You already know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of is my love for you. We are here in the Mambo Wetland. We're just going to have a look because there are people there. They are fishing. Oh wow, there's a nice, there's a way here. Yeah, there's a family. They are fishing on that side. Beautiful weather. Good morning. I am the one who will fight for your honor. And we are now here in my usual way going home. I am very hungry now. Yeah, I don't want to go to the center because I'm sure I'm going to spend so much again. I already spent $30 yesterday. This place is always beautiful. Yeah, I'm very hungry. It is now 11:30. That's longanisa. So much oil is buying out of the farm. Yeah, this is the one basically.